Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Jaya Kagda, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government City College, Nayapur, Hyderabad. Today, we are discussing about the topic called marketing planning. Marketing planning is referred to the process of setting goals, determining strategies, and outlining the tactics to achieve these goals. So, planning is generally done to achieve the goals. It involves a systematic approach to identify target market, understanding customer needs and preferences, positioning products or services effectively, and allocating resources efficiently. The key elements of marketing planning typically includes. So these are the topics where these are the points which are to be consideration. Number one in setting objective. So objectives are set to achieve the business goal. Market research, conducting through a research to understand the market environment, including the environment, competitors. First, we need to understand who are the competitors, customers, and industrial trend. So, what the new thing they are following? What are the trends they are following? Segmentation, targeting, and positioning. STP. This is very important in any case of the business, identifying the distinction market segment. So, how the market is divided, segmented. Selecting the most attractive one and positioning the product or service to meet the needs of those segment effectively. Marketing mix strategy, developing the strategy for the product, price, place, distribution, and promotion, communication aspects of the marketing. So, marketing mix is very, very important in the case of marketing planning. Next, budgeting and resource allocation. Yes, finance is very, very important to start or to run the business. Allocating the financial and human resources to various marketing activities based on their potential for achieving the desired outcome. So in this, we can say finance is playing a very important role as the activities based on the resources, based on the finance only, activities are conducted. Implementation and control, executing the marketing plan, monitoring the performance against objectives, and making adjustment as needed to ensure the success. Yes, these are the very important points, or you can say the objectives. Marketing analysis. So what are the marketing analysis? Marketing analysis involve evaluating the effectiveness of marketing efforts, assessing market conditions, and gaining insights to inform decision making. Yes, decision making is based on the marketing analysis. It encompasses various activities aimed at understanding customer behavior, measuring the performance of marketing campaigning, and identifying the opportunity and threats in the market. So these are the things. Marketing analysis involve evaluating the effectiveness of marketing efforts. We need to think and we need to check the efforts of the marketing. So in this, we have market research and data collection. Yes, they gathered the relevant data by doing the survey, and they will check which is good for the customer. They will check the customer preferences, needs, and wants. Performance measurement matrix. This is the indicator, that is performance indicator to assess the marketing incentives, the sales growth. We need to check the sales growth, we need to check the market share, and we need to check the customer satisfaction and return on investment. Whatever the investment they are doing, on those investment, whether they are getting some returns or not. Competitive analysis, analyzing the competitor strategies, strength, weaknesses, and market position to understand the area of differentiation and competitive advantage. So here competitive analysis here are the strategies and strength which shows the competitive analysis. SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. So this play a very important role to develop the marketing analysis. If we do the SWOT analysis, assess the organization, and next assess the market position, then we can do the best. Trend analysis, identifying the emerging trend and shift in customers' behavior. Means when we identify the customers liking or disliking, we can shift towards customer behavior. Forecasting and scenario planning. So using the historical data, market insights to forecast future trends and scenario, helping to anticipate changes and adapt marketing strategies accordingly. So here we can say that based on the data, the market is doing some forecasting about the future. Means with the past data, we can analyze the present and we can think about or we can go for the future analysis. Content of a marketing plan. So here the most important point here is the marketing plan typically include the following key points. What are those? Market analysis, target audience, identification, competitive analysis, SWOT analysis, marketing objective, positioning strategy, product or service strategy, pricing strategy. All these play a very important role in marketing plan. So planning required all these things. Additionally, it may include action plan for various marketing channels such as digital marketing, advertising, public relations, sales promotion, all these things. Marketing implementation and control. Marketing implementation and control are crucial stage in the execution and monitoring of a marketing plan to ensure its success and effectiveness. So here in this we can understand marketing implementation. So how they are implementing the plan and what are their execution stages. Implementation involve marketing plan into various actions according to outlined strategies and tactics. Effective implementation require coordination among different departments within the organization as well as with external partners such as advertising agencies or distributors. So here in this, the control on the other hand involve monitoring and evaluating the performance of marketing activity. It key performance of the indicators such as sales revenue, market shares, customer acquisition, return on investments. Control mechanism also involve addressing the unforeseen challenges or changes in the market, environment policies. Okay, all these things are very much important. Organizing the marketing department and marketing control. So how the marketing department is working and how that is controlled. So organizing the marketing department and implementing the marketing controls are integral aspects of ensuring the success and efficiency of a company's marketing efforts. So with this, we can say that organizing the marketing department and implementing the marketing control are integral aspects of ensuring the success and efficiency. The structural design is determine the organizational structure of marketing department, whether it be a functional, divisional, matrix, hybrid. Based on the size of the company, the objectives are framed. Yes, if it is a small company, the objectives are small. Medium company objectives are based on that. Big company objectives are based on that. Roles and responsibility, define the clear roles and responsibility of each member. Yes, in the marketing department, what is whose role is what we can say. Right person at the right job. Digital marketing, content marketing, and coordination. So all these things are there. Cross-functioning, functional collaboration. So collaboration between marketing and other department like sales department, product department, customer service department, all these are working in a synchronized form. Resource allocation. Allocate resources effectively, including budget, personnel, and technology to support marketing initiative and achieve objective. So how the resources are allocated. Next is leadership and supervision. Appoint the competent leader to oversee the marketing department and guidance. So leader, whoever is a leader or whoever is a supervisor, they must or they should provide a guidance to the customers, the persons, those who are there in the marketing department, and mentorship. So they need to mentor them. Every now and then they need to mentor. Support to team members. Yes, whoever are the member in the company, they are the team members, and you have to give them proper guidance and mentoring. Performance matrix. Establish the key performance indicator where marketing objectives such as sales, revenue, customer acquisition cost, conversion rate, and brand awareness to measure success and progress. Budget control. Implement budgetary control to monitor and manage marketing expenditure. Ensure that the resource allocate efficiency and according to that. Market research and analysis. Conduct a regular market research and analyze the monetary market trends, competitive activities, and customer preference. Quality control. Yes, it's very important to control the quality because quality only maintain the customers towards the particular product. Risk management. Yes, every business involve the risk. So managing a risk is one of the biggest task because as the technology improving, changes are there, regulatory development is there, functioning is there, economic is there, but still the risk management play a very vital role. Feedback mechanism. So feedback mechanisms such as customer survey, feedback form, social media monitoring to gather the insights, such customer or concern, and continuous improvement marketing strategies and tactics. Annual control. So annual control always establish a control of overall the performance of marketing activity against a predetermined annual target. Profitability control. Monitor and analyze the profitability of marketing initiative by tracking metrics such as return on investment, customer lifetime value. Efficiency control. Implement and measure to it includes the streamlining the workflow, automating the repetitive task, leveraging the technology tools to improve the productivity. Strategic control, ensure the marketing activity and in the line with the company overall strategic direction. Regular evaluator is there. Marketing control, annual control, profitability control, efficiency control, strategic control. Gathering income statement, identifying the market expenses, calculate the gross profit margin. Determining the marketing return on investment, compare the market effectiveness, consider the market content, identify the opportunity and challenges. In the next class, we'll deal the consumer market.